What's up, YouTube? This is Octane Red 392. I got my stuff done last night. So what I ended up doing was my wheels and my side marker lights. I will be getting a wrap, I will be getting a tune, but not right now. But I got some stuff in the mail today, getting to put on now at Savannah Top Tent. It's the flag, Daytona 392 in the back. These dudes do a great job. They've done all my work, and they'll continue to do all my work right here in Savannah. So enjoy the video, and I got a slideshow for the wheels. I didn't get time to video the install, so sorry about that. YouTube, how's it going? This is Octane Red 392. Today's video is going to be about installing these new the solid beam side markers. I'm gonna go right here so you don't have this regular marker anymore. I got these from Pro Tuning Lab for about 80 bucks. So then go in the front. I'm gonna change that one out. And this one. So just unboxing them. These came in about a week. I ordered these last Saturday. Actually, at Florida _ Hemi was with me. I actually seen his and I ordered them on the spot. Let's see. All right, these are the back ones. And I ordered them already tinted too, so the ones I have on, I had tinted. But let you know on the back there, right? And left. Those are the ones for the rear. Sorry for the terrible angle, guys. I'm recording this and I don't have a camera thing set up yet. So, there's that one. And that one. Alright. The angles were too terrible for me to try to record and unscrew these. But literally, it took out the 3 clips that you saw earlier. You need this type of screw, hex nut or whatever. It's 2 of these screws in the back of the lights. So once you get the light out, you don't have to like reach your hand through to try to unclip it. Once you get it out, there's a little tension clip at the top. You just press down. Excuse the mess. As you can see, this is the updated one. This is the factory one. I'll be keeping my lights just in case these burn out or whatever. It's my first time trying them. I've heard they do that, but I'm not sure if it's this company or just the lights in general. But yeah, it just snaps right back in. Let's see, I'll do this one-handed. Snaps in just like that. I'll put the screw in now. See. Damn! Alright, YouTube, I'm back. The side marker install to the straight light beam that you see now, it took a little bit longer than expected, only because the front were easy. You just turn the wheel, put some screws, and put your hand back there. And I got a semi-big hand, and I fit my hand back there in the front. In the rear, you have to take off the rear tire. I wish it was easier, but that's the only way I know how to do it. I tried doing it with the rear tire on there, and I could not put my hand back there to get to the screw like I needed to. And yeah, you did it. They're pretty bright. Yep, that's it. And sorry about the video, man. I don't have a camera guy yet, or I just did it at my house real quick. Getting to go out of town. Pretty sure my buddy Albano around would have helped me. But stay tuned. We're gonna be doing more videos. Hopefully some more or some duos together. All right, YouTube. Octane Red 392 signing out.